Important notice. This video was created using the new automatic translation technologies into all world languages, made available by YouTube for new creators. Before you start watching, click the settings gear icon below and enable automatic translation in your native language. Also turn on subtitles and watch them in your own language. In this video you will see
Step by step, a guide to using YouTube's automatic dubbing and subtitles. Worldwide YouTube translation. Hi. There's a lot of talk about YouTube's revolutionary new feature, the automatic translation of any video into all the languages of the world, both in audio and with subtitles. However, using it isn't quite that simple. Many users aren't even aware it exists, and there are some essential steps that must be followed for the automatic translation to work. There are still plenty of people who don't know that nowadays, it's possible to watch subtitles on any YouTube video in virtually every existing language. In this video, I'll show you, calmly and in detail, exactly what those steps are and which buttons to click to make the most of this revolutionary feature. Let's start with automatic audio translation. Click on the settings gear icon. Under audio track, you can see that I'm currently watching the video in Italian. In the video window, the subtitles are also in Italian. Also, if you look closely, next to the audio track label, there's a small number in parentheses. In my case, it's number 10. That number indicates how many languages the audio track has been translated into. To see the full list of available languages, move to the right where it says Italian. There's a small arrow. Click on it and a drop-down list will appear showing all the languages currently available for audio translation. The first language is French, followed alphabetically by Japanese, Hindi, Indonesian, English, Italian, Polish, Portuguese, Spanish, and finally German. Click the language you prefer, and the audio will instantly switch to that language. Want to hear it in French? Done.
Avviso importante. Questo video è stato creato utilizzando la nuova...
Avis important. Cette vidéo a été créée à l'aide de la nouvelle technologie de traduction automatique de YouTube, disponible dans toutes les langues pour les nouveaux créateurs.
Want to hear it in Spanish?
Avant de la regarder, cliquez sur l'icône en forme d'engrenage ci-dessous et activez la traduction automatique dans votre langue maternelle.
A tu idioma nativo. Activa también los subtítulos y míralos en tu idioma preferido.
Notice how the audio changes. It's really amazing what YouTube has introduced. Now let's move on to subtitles. In the next step, I'll show you how to change the subtitle language and choose the one you prefer. You should know that, unlike audio, which for now, since the feature is still experimental, is limited to 10 languages, subtitles can be displayed in every language in the world. This is without a doubt one of the most interesting features YouTube has ever implemented. To enable or disable subtitles, click the CC button, the card-shaped icon. Clicking it disables subtitles. Clicking again re-enables them. See how the text disappears and reappears on the video. To choose the subtitle language, follow these steps. 1. Click the gear icon settings. 2. Select subtitles. 3. Click the arrow on the right, where you see the current language. 4. Then click Auto Translate. 5. A drop-down menu will appear with over 200 languages. Choose the one you prefer. For example, I'll now choose Arabic. As you can see, the subtitles immediately appear in Arabic.
Avviso importante. Questo video è stato creato utilizzando la nuova tecnologia.
Basically, audio and subtitles are two separate and distinct things. The audio can only be heard in the 10 languages currently supported by YouTube, but subtitles can be shown in every language in the world. A quick clarification. Automatic audio translation is only available on videos that display the label auto dubbing under the title indicated by an arrow. It also appears in the description if you click More. Currently, older videos only support subtitles. Automatic dubbing is available only on new videos uploaded. So, if a video doesn't show auto dubbing, it means it's an older video and this feature isn't active. However, if subtitles were originally added by the video creator, they can still be viewed in every language, even on older videos. One last thing. Under the video description, there's a very useful new YouTube feature called transcription. It lets you jump to the exact chapter you're interested in with just one click. Clicking it opens a sidebar with the video's main chapters. Just scroll and click on the one you want, and you'll go straight to that part of the video. Great. I hope I've been clear and detailed enough. For someone like me who hates rushing and doing things superficially, clarity and precision are everything. I'm fed up with those lightning fast videos that make no sense unless you're a tech expert. I created this video for people like me, those who appreciate things done calmly and, above all, properly. If you'd like to check out my website, click the link shown on screen. You'll find lots of content about DIY plumbing. Subscribe to the channel and explore my playlist. Finally, if you think I deserve a small donation to support my work, click the 3 dots under the video, then select the heart-shaped icon that says thanks. You can donate from €2 and up. Thanks a lot. See you next time.